In this video, I will show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and select the cell or range of cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. For example, you might select cells A2 to A10 if you want multiple rows to have the same options. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Dropdown. This will open the data validation panel on the right side of your screen. Now you can start adding your list items. Simply type the options you want users to choose from, such as pending, in progress, and completed. You can also assign colors to each option to make your sheet more visual and easier to read. Once you've added your options, click Done. You'll now see a small arrow in each selected cell. When you click it, your drop-down list will appear, allowing you to select one of the predefined values. Drop-down lists are great for keeping your data consistent, reducing errors, and making your spreadsheets easier to use. So that's how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.